जेलेंस्की के साथ तू मैं पुष्पा स्टाइल में जेलेंस्की ने ट्रंप को दिखाए तेवर। फ्लावर नहीं फायर है मैं, झुकेगा नहीं। पुष्पा स्टाइल में जेलेंस्की ने ट्रंप को दिखाए तेवर और बिना डिनर किए व्हाइट हाउस से निकल गए जेलेंस्की। अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप और यूक्रेनी राष्ट्रपति जेलेंस्की के बीच व्हाइट हाउस में हुई बैठक तीखी बहस में बदल गई। ट्रंप ने जेलेंस्की पर तीसरा विश्व युद्ध की आग भड़काने का आरोप लगाया और स्टूपिड यानी बेवकूफ तक कह दिया।
If you will speak very loudly about the war, you
He's
can...
not speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No. You've done a lot of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning.
I know.
You're not winning this. You have a damn
We-
good chance of
we
coming
are
out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
President,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
allowed.
in this
We
cabinet.
gave you, through
I
this
said thank
stupid
you.
president, $350 billion.
You voted
we gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
and you
voted
men
for
are
your
brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
Yes. What about West
If
Virginia?
you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me-
equipment,
you invited
if
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3
okay?
days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days. This is something
Maybe
new.
less.
जेलेंस्की से ओवल ऑफिस से बाहर निकलते ही प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने उन पर अमेरिका का अपमान करने का आरोप लगाया। इसके साथ ही ट्रंप ने ये भी कहा कि यूक्रेनी राष्ट्रपति फिलहाल रूस से युद्ध खत्म करना नहीं चाहते।
I want it to end immediately. I want a ceasefire now. He said, "Oh, I don't want a ceasefire." Well, all of a sudden he's a big shot because he has the U.S. on his side. Either we're going to end it or let him fight it out. And if he fights it out, it's not going to be pretty because without us, he doesn't win.
बहस के बाद जेलेंस्की से जब माफी मांगने की बात हुई तो इस पर जेलेंस्की जरा भी नहीं हिचके और कहा कि हमें खुला और ईमानदार रहना चाहिए। मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमने कुछ गलत किया है। जेलेंस्की के तेवर देखकर ट्रंप दंग रह गए। उन्हें उम्मीद नहीं थी कि व्हाइट हाउस में जेलेंस्की इस तरह से बात करेंगे।
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because
I'm
you're in no
answering on this
position to
question.
dictate that.
That's
Remember
exactly
this.
what
I'm not
You're in
dictating.
no position to dictate what we're going to feel.
You
We're going to feel very
you will
good.
Feel influenced.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and
telling
very
you,
strong.
You will feel influenced.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed
From the
yourself
very-
to be in a
from
very
the very
bad position,
beginning
and
of
he
the
happens
war.
to be right about
From the
it.
very beginning of the war.
You're not
Mr.
in a good
Brown,
position.
I
You don't
was
have
in
the
a-
cards right now. With us, you start having
not playing
cards.
cards.
But right now, you
I'm
don't.
very
Yeah, you're playing
serious,
cards.
Mr. President.
You're
I'm
playing
very
cards.
serious.
You're
I'm
gambling
the
with the
president
lives
in
of
war.
millions of people.
You think-
You're gambling with World War
What do you-
III.
what do you
You're
think about?
gambling with
What do you
World
think
War
about?
III. And
You-
what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country,
I'm
that's
with all
backed
respect to
you
your
far
country.
more than a lot of people said
I'm very
they
respectful.
should have.
यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति व्लादिमीर जेलेंस्की ने कहा कि उनका देश जब तक रूस के साथ शांति वार्ता में शामिल नहीं होगा, जब तक उसे किसी अन्य हमले के खिलाफ सुरक्षा की गारंटी नहीं मिल जाती। अब बड़ा सवाल ये है कि इस विवाद का असर यूक्रेन को मिलने वाली अमेरिकी मदद पर पड़ेगा या नहीं। ट्रंप के रुख से साफ है कि यूक्रेन को अब तक मिलती आई आर्थिक और सैन्य सहायता पर रोक है। ऐसे में जेलेंस्की के लिए आने वाले समय में अमेरिका से समर्थन बनाए रखना एक चुनौती होगी। इन सब के बीच यूरोप के कई नेताओं की तरफ से जेलेंस्की के प्रति समर्थन जताया जा रहा है। इस बैठक पर अभी रूस की तरफ से कोई बयान नहीं आया है। देखना होगा कि अब आगे क्या मोड़ आता है।